In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable Slack integration. We're going to connect Airtable to Slack so that updates in your base can automatically send messages to the right Slack channel. This is a simple way to keep your team informed without having to manually copy and paste updates every time something changes. Start by opening Airtable and going to the Automations section in the base where you want this workflow to happen. Automations are where Airtable lets you build actions that respond to changes in your data. Once you're there, create a new automation to begin setting up the integration. The first part of the automation is choosing your trigger. This is the event inside Airtable that tells the automation when to run. For example, you might want it to trigger when a record is created or when an existing record is updated. Choose the option that matches the kind of notification you want Slack to receive. It's a good idea to think this through before moving on, because your trigger determines how often messages will be sent and what kind of activity will be reported. After that, set Slack as the action app. This tells Airtable that once the trigger happens, the next step should be sending something to Slack. To do that, you'll be prompted to connect your Slack workspace. Sign in and authorize the connection so Airtable has permission to post messages on your behalf. Make sure you're connecting the correct workspace, especially if you use more than one. Once Slack is connected, choose the channel where your messages should be sent. Pick a channel that makes sense for the type of update you're sharing, such as a project channel, a team updates channel, or an operations channel. Sending notifications to the right place helps keep communication useful instead of noisy. Next, set up the message itself. This is where you map Airtable fields into the Slack message so the notification includes useful details from the record. For example, you can insert values like a task name, status, due date, or any other relevant field from your base. Try to keep the message clear and easy to scan, since people in Slack usually want quick, actionable information. Before turning anything on, send a test Slack message. This step is important because it lets you confirm that the integration works, the right channel is selected, and the message looks the way you expect. If something seems off, this is the best time to adjust it. Once the test looks good, turn on the automation to activate the integration. From that point on, Airtable and Slack will work together automatically, helping your team stay updated in real time.